kitchen table, but we're gonna use it as a dining room table. So I'm glad y'all here to support me by helping me put this damn thing up. Oh shit, I gotta pick Monique up. Oh shit. Hopefully I don't get nothing wrong. But that's why I got you guys. So y'all let me know if I'm doing something I shouldn't be doing, okay? I ain't put nothing like this up in a while. I'm kind of mad at my dog. But then the dog bit my damn socket sit wrench. I'm gonna show y'all what he did. I wonder why Monique didn't tell me he did that. Because I know when I put that bed up the other day, and it wasn't like that. And plus I left it by accident. I left it up under the doggone bed. So that's how I know she picked it up and she put it on the dresser in our bedroom. So my thing is, I don't know why she didn't tell me. So Monique, if you're on here, why didn't you tell me the dog bit my dog on Ratchet? So now I gotta, let me show y'all what he did. Peabody did this to my damn Ratchet. He ate it. Yeah, I found it, Peabody. I found it. This is what your dog would do to your shit, even your tubes. Now I gotta buy some damn more. Hey, what's up, y'all? Come on in. I'm gonna roll the stream down in a second, see who in here. I got my whole socket sits on the floor. So let's get this shit together. All right. If I can't see your chat right now, trust believe me, I will respond back shortly. I'm trying to get it together. I'm trying to find somewhere to sit down there. This thing is gonna be heavy. So I'm gonna put it together on the floor, and then I'm gonna get it all lined up. But yeah, how everybody doing on this beautiful, beautiful Thursday? These are chairs. That's the back of the chair. And this the chair top in here. All right, that comes last. Okay, we'll do that part last. Okay. All right. Whew, boy, here we go. We're gonna put the chairs up first, and then we're gonna do the table. That's the easy part. So let's knock it out. Let's knock it out, get it out the way. All right. All right. Let's knock this bad boy out. All right, let me see what I'm gonna need. All right. What kind of tool do I need? Monique always telling me, getting on me about not reading the instructions. I'm gonna read it today a little bit. You need to read the book. Let her tell it. I gotta read the book. And I know she ain't watching it. She probably watching it now. I'm like, yeah, get the book. Get the book. Because if she was home right now, she'd be telling me to get the book. Get the book out. The first thing she'll say, get the book out. Right. Probably call me hard headed right now. And I ain't even start yet. I ain't even started yet. You probably call me hard headed. I'm getting the book, baby. Calm down. I'm getting the book. Jesus. That was a nice little table, too. Slide it. Okay, let me slide this out the way. Like I said, that top is going last. You don't need it right now. Okay. All right, family. Time to get busy. Oh, Lord help me. Okay. So like a little kid in school getting on the floor. Let's see who all in here. All right. Joyce Gang, what's up? Latricia, what's up? Hogland Fishing, what's up? What's up, Hogland? Bro from another mother. Go ahead, y'all. All right, who else in here? Who did I miss? Did I miss anybody? All right, come on now. If y'all hit that like button, hit that like button, fam. Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Come on. It's a 6-piece of leftover chicken for me, fam. They came out pretty good too, bro. They came out too damn really good last night, man. We tore that chicken up. Monique took her a bunch of chicken with her to work this morning. And she tore that dog with chicken up. Yeah, she tore that chicken up, man. She munched that bad boy down to the 5th power. I ain't calling you greedy, honey. Get it out your mind. I ain't calling you greedy. If you talking about you don't lie. You calling me greedy. No, I ain't. Shit. You took some with you to work. Shoot. It's what it is. Shit. Well, we gotta eat. The dog gonna want me something else. Yeah, man. When the last time y'all put up a damn table come from Amazon? Damn thing, they don't look too hard or either. They look real simple. Real simple. All right. You go to the back of the chair. Okay. There go the instructions. Okay, 8, 1 piece. Okay. And then it's the legs. Okay, those are the legs to the table. All right. C is the 4-piece. Okay. All right. In the back of the chair is another 4-piece. Okay, 8. And those these right here. All right. All right, where it is? Okay, now where the screws at? Screws, where are you? I'm telling you, the screws inside the box of the table. Oh, man. All right, I need a knife. Where do that knife? Oh, shit. Did y'all see what I do with that damn knife, y'all? Hey. Oh, shit. I got it. Oh, shit. All right. I got it. All right. So what y'all up to today, y'all? What's going on in y'all life today, man? Other than watching me fuck up some shit. Because that's all I'm gonna do, probably fuck it up. So she can have something to talk about. You gonna fuck it up just like you do everything else. Shit, I can't see. I said on top of the show box. Top of the show box, bro. Oh, okay. Yeah, man. I'm still trying to find out where the goddamn screws at. Yeah. I'm still trying to find out where I put the damn screws. I ain't even see them yet. The problem is, gotta be in the box with that tape. And if it is, I'm gonna have to go through that to get it. Yeah, we get brand new everything in this motherfucker, man. Brand new everything. Every from the thing we had at that apartment place over there, we kept it there. All right, these is right here. These are the seats that go onto the chair. Yeah, it got wood seating. All right, there's nothing wrong with that. That's gonna look dope. That's gonna look dope as hell. All right, now screws. I'm starting. Now I gotta get the screws. Man, I can't do nothing without no screws. Shit. Come to daddy. Come on. Can't do nothing without no damn screws. No, they're not in here either. Oh, what the hell? Where the hell is the screws? Come on. Screws. Where are the screws? I bet you's in there with that tabletop. How much I would make a bet that dog with screws in there with the tabletop? Nope, they're right here. Thank God. All right. Follow the screws, y'all. We already know the little screws goes to the chairs. Because get me that damn book again because I know you're gonna be watching me. You read the book? Read the book? Read the book. Y'all know how y'all women is. If you ain't reading that damn book, you'll have your ass. That's how women is, boy. They strict. When they want their stuff up a certain type of way, they mean it. They mean it, y'all. I was yelling and telling you that they were right there, bro. Oh, man. I found them damn things, man. Shit. I'll find them. All right, let's put this thing together. All right, come on. All right, start with the chairs. All right, it goes back like that. Yep, like this. Okay. Okay, so we put it. You're getting up, baby. Not getting up. Shit. You better get on YouTube. I'm not getting up, man. Get that. You're too damn fat to be getting up like that all damn day long. You want me to do some like I'm some skinny man. You must not know I'm sitting on the damn floor. Shit, I am not a gymnastic. Shit. I weigh 200 and something damn pounds. I'm not about to keep getting up to get that damn phone. I don't give a damn if she hear me or not. He said, "You that were right, you right there, bro." Yeah, man. That girl act like I'm a gymnastic. Act like I'm gonna keep getting up, answering that dang phone. No, I'm not. Shit. Let's see. All right. It's gonna take me a while today, y'all. So y'all bear with me, man. Y'all bear with me. It's gonna take me a minute. All right, so all right, so I found this damn thing that go to here. Okay, I found this one. Yeah, just like that. Yeah. Touchdown. So the big screws go to the side. I gotta do it right. I don't want nobody coming over here sitting in these chairs. Go, oh, you made me fall. You should have told me it was broke. Fuck me, yeah, fuck me up. Hey, Jay, you made me fall. Then upstairs somewhere, they say all you hear, bloop. But Miss Mo said, answer her call. You right. Shit. I ain't getting up. She better get on. She probably on the live stream now. Babe, if you don't hear, I'm sorry, but I'm sitting on the floor. I'm not getting up. No. Nope. I'm not getting up. Nope. I'm not getting up. If it's not important, if it is important, should be called on. She'll forgive me. Shit. She'll forgive me. One day she'll forgive me. Not right now. Shit. I don't know. I'm working right now. I'm not getting off this damn thing. Nope. She'll forgive me soon as she get home. She'll forgive me. Yeah, this gonna take me a while, fella. I mean, fam, all this is gonna take me a while. The damn Peabody done bit up my stocking set. That damn badass dog. Look, tore up my socket set. It come with an alley wrench, but I like to use my socket set. I ain't got time to be messing with no damn alley wrench. And I got two. What I look like? I got tools, man. shit, I gotta pick Monique up. Oh shit.